How to fix Heartopia not working or crashing. Now in this quick video, I'm going to show you two specific troubleshooting steps for you to be able to bypass this kind of issue. Now say for example, you're trying to open up the application of Heartopia and you can still get here. So as you can see at the very top right, you should be able to see a repair button. Once you hit that, um, the application will attempt to clean up updated files to fix versions mismatch issues, and it will be re-downloaded and re-updated the whole application. Once you hit on confirm, it will automatically run by itself. The other thing that you can do is to go into the Heartopia's icon, which is going to be this one. You just simply tap and hold on the app, and then go into the eye so that you'll be redirected into app info. Scroll down and then under usage, you can go into storage. And then from here, choose on clear data and choose on clear cache as well. It will rerun and refresh the whole application, but will not harm your account. So those are the things that you can do for you to fix Heartopia not working or crashing.